First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we started this morning with temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s. Another frosty start to the day, but things are going to warm up as we go through the weekend, especially tomorrow and Sunday as we get more of a southerly breeze moving through the area. But we are rain-free for a while. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. Seeing a clean sweep, and we're at 50 degrees currently in Bowling Green. Checking mesonet sites around south central Kentucky, mostly upper 40s to low 50s, and we still are not getting a reading from the Bowling Green mesonet site because they're going through some technical difficulties. But as they work those things out, everybody else is reporting currently upper 40s like Munfordville and Edmonton, and then Albany also at 49. 52 for Elkton, Russellville, 53 for Greenville and Hopkinsville at this hour. And a live shot from our AAA Systems weather cam, this one at the Sleep Inn as we're looking at exit 22, Scottsville Road, I-65. All is sunny across southern Kentucky. 50 degrees currently, the wind's calm. Only 37% relative humidity, which means the air is very dry after yesterday's early morning rain. 30.41 is the barometer reading as the center of high pressure sitting right over south central Kentucky. Here's a view of some of our weather cams. We go to Munfordville, 49 and sunny after starting out at a chilly 28 degrees there in Hart County this morning. Here's Litchfield in Grayson County, 51 after starting at 26. Franklin is at 51. In Simpson County, you started at 29 for a low temperature there this morning. And as we head to Logan County, Russellville, you're at 52 and sunny after starting out with a low of 28 this morning. Glasgow at 50, and you also started out at 28. 50 is the current temperature reading at the airport. Most everybody in the 50s to near 60 degrees. Low to mid 40s, though, off to the north of us where they had lake effect snows in parts of the Great Lakes this morning. You're seeing the big temperature difference here. 15 to 20 degree drops in temperature to the east, while we are 3 degrees warmer than yesterday, and we're starting to see that southerly flow kicking in, which we'll start to feel tomorrow. That's going to help our temperatures rebound pretty quickly. Here's a look at radar. Things are pretty quiet here. We're not expecting any precipitation over the next 24, 36, even 48 hours as high pressure, big ridge of high pressure is going to hold strong throughout the Veterans Day holiday weekend. But because it's sitting right over us, our winds are just kind of light for the moment. As it just moves off to the east, we'll start to get more of a southerly flow tomorrow. In fact, if you're planning on going out to the Veterans Day Parade, it may be a little breezy, not windy, but a little breezy at times, a 10 to 15 mile per hour wind, maybe a gust up to 20. So if you're holding a flag or you're in a float or something like that, you may want to take that into consideration. But it should be a nice day. Here is a weak front that's going to slide through the area tomorrow afternoon, maybe a few clouds with it. No precipitation is actually, it's going to dissolve or fade out as that ridge of high pressure holds strong and just dissolves that little weak cold front as it comes on by. Sunny and cool today, 55, and then tonight back down to a frosty 31 degrees under a mainly clear sky. Now, things get interesting about the middle of next week. 63 tomorrow and Sunday, 65 for the Veterans Day holiday on Monday, and then a chance of chilly rain showers as we get a big shot, the coldest air yet this fall season on Tuesday, which means some of this rain could mix with or change over to some light snow Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, and then only getting up to 42 for a high. Right now, it doesn't appear any measurable precipitation will come out of that, but that's something that we will certainly watch as we get into next week. And again, tomorrow we salute the troops. Veterans Day Parade, downtown Bowling Green, 10 a.m. Sunny, breezy, dress in layers, and we should see a temperature around 50 degrees. Back with more Midday Live in just a minute.